Dan, you've been in the digital realm for a long time.
Yeah.
Long time. And it's always changing. There's
it is always changing.
Where do you see stuff go? What are the trends and what are the baloney trends? And what do you just see? Where do you see going?
So, I mean, the most obvious is AI. And yes, Vertium uses AI a lot. We're like integrating AI into a lot of our software and doing a lot of cool stuff there. But this is actually future prediction, right?
Okay.
So future prediction is, and this is a prediction. So
write this down and then check this out on Dan in another year.
This is a fun video. This is not like me like giving you a tip type of thing. Here's my future prediction. I think it's called the zombie internet or the dead internet or something. I can't remember the exact term, but roughly the theory is that the internet will be literally nothing but garbage content all generated by AI. Now, the alarmists out there, the people that have been alarming this, have come out and said that they cannot believe that 30% of the internet is now all fake content.
Currently.
Already.
Like right now.
Like already.
As we make this video, maybe 35% by the time this video gets out.
Like, I mean, we've been using AI for like 5 years, but ChatGPT and mainstream has really kind of like accelerated that. But the fact that the internet is already at 30% fake content, my prediction is exactly what we're doing here with this video. It's going to be people that just create real content. Just create real content. Like, you can still use AI to help you generate the articles of your real content, but my prediction is that people are just going to want to see real content. They're just going to want to see real people. And I'm having a really, really hard time understanding if anything is real anymore. So I don't know. The prediction in there is whoever come across as authentic and real, however that looks, I don't know, because this is a prediction, and they can get into the AI summaries when you're searching for things, like all that. I don't know. I think it's going to be like short, concise, authentic videos. Just video content, written content, but it has to have video. I think you have to have video in there because it has to be like real video, not like AI generated video.
Sure.
I don't know. I think people are going to tire of this really fast.
Oh, I think they already have.
Yeah.
I mean, I remember even on like LinkedIn, there was like the big trend of the blister pack. You can make an adventure person.
Yeah.
Within 2 weeks, people were sheepishly putting up going, I know I'm a little late with this. And they already knew it was like, this is stupid.
Yeah.
And we got sick of it in 2 weeks.
And right.
And that was one dumb thing.
Exactly. So I don't know. I'm like, I was really, I'm very excited about AI. I think it has a lot. We're doing a lot. And you should be excited about AI, but you also should know, we should also understand how to navigate it as it comes through. Because at the end of the day, I think people they still want to feel connected to human beings.
Well, and you said it, you used the word originality.
Yeah.
Original anything is going to stand. It always has.
Yeah.
And it always will. And it's going to be accelerated now by all this fakery that's out there now.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you guys want to talk a little bit more about that, let us know. Shoot us your thoughts, your comments. We're up for it. We want to hear your predictions as well. Take care.